Did you receive the letter? It is here. Did you receive it? Look. Does it write? Look, it writes, the old owl is hungry. Feed me souls, right? I know you can read it. Of course you can't read it. What am I talking about? Only the king can read the messages. Who the fuck is knocking at my door? The fucking owl, my head. It echoes in my head. You're not real. You're not real. Now it's dead. Look. It's dead. Oh my god. It's dead. It's right there. I can't take it anymore. This is the 6th night of no sleep. I must sleep. You can't sleep. You must not sleep. My wife, I think she will get hurt because of me. I tried to tell her they think I'm all insane. I think they do not trust anyone.